Hey everyone! With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's the perfect time to get those nails looking fabulous. Today, I'll be doing a product review and nail tutorial on the Lily and Fox Valentine themed nail wraps. Let's dive in and create a stunning Valentine's Day look. Welcome back everyone! If you're new here, welcome to our community. Today, I'll be showcasing several holiday themed nail wraps from Lily and Fox, focusing on the Valentine theme for this tutorial. I purchased a set that includes My Sweet Obsession, which I'll be using in today's application, along with Snow, Baby, You're a Firework, and Get Lucky. They were also kind enough to send me a free one to practice with. I'll be sure to leave links to all products used in today's video in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the Lily and Fox Valentine themed nail wraps. These nail wraps are made of real nail polish and come in a variety of beautiful designs, perfect for Valentine's Day. They are thin, flexible, and easy to apply, making them a great alternative to traditional nail polish. Each set includes 16 nail wraps in different sizes to fit all your nails. The wraps are designed to last up to 14 days with proper application and care. Plus, they are affordable, priced at just $2.99 per set with free shipping. Before we start applying the nail wraps, it's important to prepare our nails. Make sure your nails are clean, dry, and free from any polish. Buff and smooth out your nails with a nail file and wipe them with alcohol or prep pads to remove any excess oil. This will help the wraps adhere better and last longer. For this tutorial, I'll be applying soft gel tips by Born by Me, found on Amazon. I decided to add the wraps to the tips instead of my natural nails and wanted to test out if I could actually use a gel top coat on the wrap at the end. Now let's move on to the application. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply the Lily and Fox Valentine themed nail wraps. Choose the right size wrap for each nail.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to trick. To the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you
Peel off the clear plastic film from the wrap. Carefully place the wrap on your nail, starting from the cuticle and smoothing it down towards the tip. Use a nail file to trim or file off the excess wrap. Lastly, you can add a top coat to seal the wrap and give it extra shine and durability. Watch as I apply the My Sweet Obsession wraps and create a cohesive, elegant look perfect for Valentine's Day. Now that we've applied the wraps, let's talk about the final result. The Lily and Fox Valentine themed nail wraps are absolutely stunning and perfect for the occasion. Here are some pros and cons that I noticed. Pros: they are affordable, priced at just $2.99 per set. The wraps are super easy to apply, making the process quick and hassle-free. I love the concept, which made it a fun and creative experience. Some of my cons were, it took longer than expected for the wraps to arrive, and the wraps did not completely seal the entire nail, and I noticed some lifting after wearing them for a day. Overall, I love how they add a touch of elegance and romance to my nails. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get beautiful nails for Valentine's Day or any occasion, I recommend giving these wraps a try. In summary, we've explored how to create a stunning Valentine's Day look with the Lily and Fox Valentine themed nail wraps. These wraps are a great alternative to traditional nail polish, offering beautiful designs, easy application, and long-lasting results. I hope this video has inspired you to try them out for yourself.